Hello, welcome back with me. I'm Sugan Setiawan from Sugan Setiawan channel. Today I want to show you how to install an alternate printer driver on a Windows 10. Let's check our video now. Okay, first click on Start and type control panel. Okay, click device and printer. Okay, this is the device and printer, and then click add a printer. Okay, the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on this. Okay, give a checklist on add a local printer and network printer with manual setting. Click next. This is choose your printer port. Give checklist to use an existing port LPT1 printer port, and then click next. Okay, this is a manufacturer. Click your printer manufacturer. In this case, I'm using HP printer, so I select HP and select your printer model. I'm using thecd 2520. Okay, this is HP thecd 2520 series class driver, and then click next. Okay, type a printer name. You can give a name for your printer. For example, I want to rename it to my printer HP 2520, and then click next. Okay, you have successfully added my printer HP 2520. You can to check if your printer is working properly, you can print test pic. Okay, and then click finish. This is your printer, my printer HP 2520. You can check it on a right click and see about properties. Okay, to see the device information. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye.